Soundon is located in Soundon, Hunan Province. It's an innovative and new energy prize invested in by Sound Group, the leading integrated service provider for ecological environment and new energy in China. Relying on Sound Group's financial platform and advantageous resources, Soundon built a new, large, energy lithium battery, intelligent production base with a capacity and output value ranked top of the industry. Currently, the energy storage project is widely used in different applications, such as intelligent building, peak load shifting, power network frequency modulation, and emergency standby power supply. Soundon New Energy specially developed LiFePo4 battery. With high energy density, it is very easy to extend the Life Energy storage system. All standard modules were fully tested and simulated. Very easy to install and maintenance free. Just plug in, power up, and walk away. Soundon is building the lithium-ion cloud platform. Internet of Things and big data technology are used to closely connect the lithium battery production, cell, and users. It provides the visual data for the battery manufacturers, electric car manufacturers and consumers, battery recycling parties, and power grid providers to realize the function of monitoring the whole life cycle of lithium batteries. Soundon New Energy Technology Limited Company. Excellent manufacturer for EVS and ESS.